Hi everyone. So this is the sequence of the Kubernetes installation. So part one we have completed, right? So until the first playbook we have finished in the part one. So this is the sequence of the installation. So today we will see the remaining tasks. Okay. So there are a few other playbooks which we need to run. Which we need to run. So today we will see. So I already connected to my Ansible server. Okay, so this is my Ansible server. So here I am trying to uh, check the connectivity of my target hosts. So which are master server and worker node. Okay, so let me check with the Ansible all -m ping module I am using. Okay, so let me check. Because we already rebooted, I mean shut down the servers, right? So after reboot definitely your server host name will be changing. So see, that is the reason you are not reaching out your target hosts. So these are the host names we provided in the host file. So I'm inside the configuration files. So here host files. So here these are the previous server host details. So now my servers got rebooted, right? So definitely it will be changing. So let me gather my master server and worker node host names. So we will replace with the actual values. Okay, so select this one. So this is the DNS, because every time it is rebooting, right? So that's the reason. So this is my master server. Okay, and my slave one is this one. Make sure if you want to trigger Ansible playbook, so you should make connection between your worker nodes, I mean your target servers to your Ansible server. Okay, so vi host, let me delete this line. This is the host server, and above one is, let me delete this also. Sorry. Okay, so I'm copying master server host name as well. Okay, now let me save. Yeah, now you can check the connectivity. The first time logging in, right? Yeah, now it is fine. If it is showing in the green line means, so it is fine. So now my from my Ansible server to my master and these are working fine. Okay, what about other one? This is 236. Okay, 236. This is fine. Both are fine. 123. Okay, let me cross check on my master. Okay, markers, masters. Okay, 250, 61. Okay, okay. Now let me go for my actual installation. Okay, so until here we have done, right? So this is done. Okay, so first playbook is done. So once you done the first playbook, okay, so the second playbook you need to run again. Okay, so K master, so this is the second playbook. So until here we have completed until here. Now run the second playbook. So this is the second playbook. So we need to get the IP address of the master server. Okay, so let me log in my master server because we required a IP address. Don't take this IP address. Okay, so don't take the public IP. Internal IP you can take this one, internal IP. Okay, so internal IP of my master server. Come here, get the internal IP of master server. Okay, so which is 172.31.12.26. This is my internal IP. Then from the master network and add this IP into the YML file. Okay, so K8's master is there, right? So here you need to add this IP. There is a YML file which is a K8 masters YML file. This one. Okay, it means it is running on only master, I believe. K8 master. Let me edit this. So where we need to add this one? Yeah, here Kubedium. Uh, here API server address, advertise address. So here we need to replace. You know, right? How to edit the file? Calm down. Okay. Let me edit. Okay. Let me copy this. This is my actual value, right? So copy this. Insert. It's already in the insert mode. Copy this. Okay. Pasted. Now we can save the file. Don't touch anything. Okay. Can remove. Same. Can leave as it is. Only IP only have changed. Now you can trigger the command ansible hyphen playbook. Okay, so hyphen I hosts, don't, not hyphen I not required. Ansible hyphen playbook K8's master hyphen syntax check. You can do the syntax check first. It will do, yeah, nothing error in the syntax, and you can do hyphen check also. Okay, so it won't execute actual commands on your target server. Okay, so it will do a test. Let me trigger this. Okay, yeah, yeah, see, it is performing. You can ignore this, not an issue. The copying admin, this one, not an issue. Okay, now let me remove hyphen check and let me execute. Let us check, let us wait. So it is initializing the cluster on your master server. Okay, and it will give some output. We need to capture the output because we have to execute those commands on master and as well as in the uh, worker node as well. Okay, see, now it is the task it is performing, initializing the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, let us wait. Meantime we'll have the other steps. So added, then syntax, then file. Okay. Open all ports in security groups are master and worker nodes. So meantime we'll do this. You know, right, how to open the security all ports in the security group. So select the security group name, then click on the edit inbound rules. Then you can, so this is the not recommended way actually, but this is a test purpose, right? So that's the reason you can go with all TCP and anywhere from IPv4 save this. In the same way you can do it in slave machine also. This is the worker node, security name, okay, inbound rules, and oh, which one I do? It's there already. Let me verify in both slave master. Yeah, master is there, slave also there. Huh? Okay, fine. Let me check in the slave. Click on security. Yeah, in the slave also there. Okay, fine. Now we'll see the, yes, it is done. Okay, I think no foreground logs. Don't worry. So the second playbook also ran successfully. It means you can, so on master node you have to trigger this and you on worker node you have to execute this command. Fine. So let me connect to my master server and let me check. I am connecting to my master server. That's it, guys. So Kubernetes cluster has been initiated, and now what we are going to do is we are validating. So let me log in into the master server first and execute this command, git bash here, not GUI. So let me connect to my server. Okay, let me maximize. Simply you can execute this command, which is kubadm token. Okay, so this is the, it will show the token. This is my master server. Okay, now copy this entire line. Okay, and connect to your worker node and execute. Let me connect to my virtual worker node. My network is poor. Don't worry, it will become, it will be open. Okay, so connect to your slave node. Sorry, copy this. Switch to root. Okay, now what we need to do, whatever the command it is shown in the master server, simply you can copy that entire command and paste over in the worker node. This is my third one is my worker node. So paste over here. Before executing, let me do one thing. So let me execute this command kubectl get nodes. Okay. See, as of now, only master is there. See, this is the server status is showing as a ready, and roles also showing as a master. Okay, now what I am doing, I am going to add the second worker node. I mean, I'm going to add the worker node into the my master by executing this command. Let me execute. Done. Okay, so run kubectl get nodes on the control plane. Control plane nothing but your master server. Come here. Now execute the same command again. See, now it is showing as a, now it is showing in your worker I mean the worker node. This is the worker node showing in your cluster. Okay, status it will come, don't worry, it will come into as a ready. So let's wait for some time. So it will come. Just now we initiated, right? So definitely it will come as a ready. Yes, see, now it is in the ready. Now you established your Kubernetes cluster. That's it. So this is the part 2. You can consider as a part 2. So make sure guys you can set up your Kubernetes cluster on your AWS. Okay. So one server is, both servers should be having uh, 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM. Okay. So then only it will work. So you have to select a T2 medium. Okay. See, now my Kubernetes setup is completed. Now you can go and create your Kubernetes resources, which are pod and uh, replica sets, replication controllers. Okay, so deployments, demands, namespaces, ingress, services. Okay, whatever you want, you can go and create. Okay, so thanks for watching. So thank you guys.